So I picked up some new exhaust tips. Guess what? Don't fit. The back box pipes are just weird, air-shaped. By the time we've cut the old tips off and put the new ones on, they'd be like pointing the bumper, which isn't great. So I chucked the post up on Kent Modified Fords. Peter kindly offered to help me. Well, what we didn't realise was this is where he works. Jake, where are we going Sunday? Well, actually, no. What are we doing tomorrow?
Doing your car and my car.
And your car? Yeah.
Cleaning.
Cleaning, lots of cleaning.
You haven't even cleaned your car properly since you had it, have you?
I haven't cleaned that since I bought it.
I cleaned my car twice in 2 days.
Committed. Oh. Where really? Peter's cutting my tips off. Well, Peter's cut my tips off. He's now cutting some more of the new tips, and then we're going to weld it all up. And then we have 4-inch tips instead of 3-inch tips, which I should have just done that anyway. Standard, like full 4-inch tips, 3-inch, just not. 3-inch should be like granddad focus, like Z-Tech focus, like old focus.
Yeah.
ST should be like 5-inch tips, big ones.
They're not that big on mine.
Like this big.
Like the size of my face.
I can't even. Oh. Pairs. Ching ching. Let's go have a look. We have tips. That's a welder. Yay! They look much better. Thank you very much. Are you happy? Yeah.
They're on there, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy. We're happy. It's good. I don't know why you're happy, it's my car.
I'm happy for you.
We're all happy. Everyone's happy. Bye.